हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। बेटा +1 फिजिक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ differentiation. We are doing the differentiation. It is totally a new thing for you people. So we will move little bit slow. We will go easy to difficult. First of all, we have done in our last video 3 formulae. First was dy by dx of c. D by dx of c. I taught you that what is the meaning of this. ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ x ਦੇ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੋਈ। x ਦੇ चेंज होने ਦੇ ਨਾਲ cx कांस्टेंट और x कांस्टेंट बाहर आ जाता है और ये कट गया c बन गया। d by dx एक बेसिक फार्मूला है, सारे फार्मूला का ये बेस है। d by dx of x की n is equal to n into x की पावर n minus 1, right? Now example also we have done related to this. I'm taking a fourth formula, d by dx of cu. What is a c? C is a constant, and what is u? U is a function of time, function of x. What is the meaning? कि x अगर चेंज होता है तो u भी चेंज होता है। ओके, u चेंज होता है तो c बाहर आ गया और dy by dx of u हो गया। ਹੁਣ देखो इत्थे x नहीं है तो एक कटिया नहीं, पर एक वेरिएबल है, अंदर रहेगा। इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल जब ਅਸੀਂ न्यूमेरिकल करांगे ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪਤਾ लगना है। देखो बेसिकली एक चीज समझो कि dy dx of x 2x स्क्वायर है ना, इत्थे भी x है, इत्थे भी x है। इसका मतलब ये चेंज होने की वजह नाल चेंज हो रहा। ये जो फंक्शन है ये इस x के अनुसार चेंज हो रहा, इसमें बोलते हैं फंक्शन। ठीक है, चेंजिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x। अगर d by dx of इत्थे z हो, राइट? अगर असं कहिए z इज अ कांस्टेंट तो 0 आ जाना है, पर असं कहिए z इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, z इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x कि x ਦੇ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਣ ਨਾਲ z ਚੇਂਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਰਹੇਗਾ d by dx of z, राइट? ਇਹ ਅੱਗੇ फार्मूला कोई नहीं लगना, ये ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣਾ। जो वेरिएबल ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ वही ਇੱਥੇ होगा ਤਾਂ फिर फार्मूला लगता है, अदरवाइज नहीं लगता। ठीक, हुणे थोड़ा फोर्थ फार्मूला। फिफ्थ फार्मूला आई एम टेकिंग dy dx of u की n। अगेन u इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, देन द फार्मूला सी ये बन गया x की n की तरह। ठीक है, x दी n into x पावर n माइनस 1। और ये जो वेरिएबल होता है इधा एक बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे विच dy dx of u अगेन होएगा, राइट? एक बार फिर देखते हैं, ये जो फंक्शन होता है इसका इधे कंपैरिजन दोबारा फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे विच डिफरेंशिएशन। ठीक, इन फैक्ट ये इत्थे भी होता है पर इत्थे कट जाता है। ये देखो ये फंक्शन है x, dy dx of x, dy dx of x ये कट जाता है, इस वास्ते ਅਸੀਂ लिखते नहीं है। एक बार फिर समझते हैं ना, बेसिक फार्मूले दे विच x की n x n minus 1 and dy dx of function, right? u की n, u is not a x but a function of x, then it will be equal to with the same formula this basic n x n minus 1 again dy by dx of this u, right? Now our sixth formula, dy dx of u plus v. Both are the function of x, u and v, they are not constant. अगर x change होता है तो u भी change होता है, v भी change होता है. Then what we can do? We can differentiate separately both, like d by dx, differentiation हो गया of u, right? Then d by dx of v. अलग अलग असी इन्हों डिफरेंशिएट करांगे. अगर इतने माइनस होएगा तो ये माइनस साइन लग जाएगा. मैं एक एग्जांपल ले रहा तो डले 4x cube minus 3x square plus 4 over x square minus 8. Okay. क्वेश्चन इस तरह आया, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. मान लो असी कहते हैं सारा जो फंक्शन है y है, राइट? Let y is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 4x square minus 8. अब डिफरेंशिएट कर दो इसको. डिफरेंशिएट कैसे? dy dx of y, d by dx of 4x cube minus 3x square 4x square minus 8. ठीक है. ਹੁਣ देखो ਇੱਥੇ भी x है, ਇੱਥੇ भी x है, मतलब ये सारे फंक्शंस ने अलग अलग तुसी इन्हां ਨੂੰ डिफरेंशिएट सेपरेटली. यू विल डिफरेंशिएट dy by dx of 4x cube minus dy by dx of 3x square plus dy by dx of this 4 and x square can be written x की power minus 2 minus dy by dx of 8. Separately we are doing, right? Which formula I have used here? I have used the formula this one. Okay, this one. Now it is the time to use this formula. This one. Second. 4 is here, constant can be taken out, and dy by dx of x की 3. 3 is constant here, so can be taken out. 4 is constant here, can be taken out. And this is a constant, and differentiation of constant is 0, right? Now is the time to use this formula, third, right? This is differentiation of x की n. So it can be written as n, x की n is 3, n into x power n minus 1. Clear? देखो differentiation x की n is equal to n into x into n minus 1. Done. Minus 3. Because differentiation simple, no need to write, you get a differentiator. Now minus 3, again the differentiation here we are using the formula differentiation of x की n. So it is n into x power n minus 1 plus 4 into, again here a formula x की n, x, sorry, first of all minus 2 n into x n minus 1 and 0, no need to write. 4 3s are 12 and x की power 2 minus 6 x 2 minus 1 is 1. This is minus now, and 8 and x की power minus 3. So this can be written as, this power is negative, so this way. So the differentiation is done, and this is the answer. Clear? Let's see it again. We have to differentiate it I think you can check the video again and you can understand what is done here. Okay, beta. Now next one more formula I will take and we complete today lecture. Seventh one, very important formula. This is called multiple formula, product rule. In fact, product rule. dy dx of u into v. Then both are the functions of y. Both are the functions of x. Function of x. x के चेंज होते ने मतलब ए कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं है। तो क्या करना है, फर्स्ट फंक्शन लिख लो, देन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड कर लो, प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन लिख लो एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट कर लो। u is a function, v is a function which are bearing with respect to x, right? Then write a u first function and differentiate second, plus write a second and differentiate first. Okay, beta. I'm taking an example. Y is equal to 4x plus 2, 5x square plus 4. We have to differentiate. Question will come, differentiate with respect to x. So I am differentiating, solution with respect to x. dy dx means differentiate with respect to x, done, of y and of this term also. 4x plus 2, 5x square plus 4. Right, beta? Now see again, here are two things. One is this, one is this. Clear? There are two methods to do it. You can multiply just like in a lower classes you did, and this equation will become just like a last equations, like that something. Okay. Second method is consider it as a u and v. Okay, as I am doing here, u is 4x plus 2 because here is x, here is x, so it is a variable. It is a variable, right? Then differentiation of a second function, 5x square plus 4 plus. First part is done. U, differentiation of v. Now v as it is, and differentiation of u. This is u, this is v, this is v, this is u, right? Now this will be written as it is, and this again a formula u plus v, separate we will do, right? So dy dx of 5x square plus dy dx of 4. Clear, beta? You can write this way, no problem. First of all 5x square differentiation, then 4 differentiation, plus the whole term will be written as it is, and dy dx of 4x and dy dx of 2. Okay. Now see, let us do the work. 5 will come out and differentiation of x square will be there. 5 is coming out. Plus this is a constant 0 plus 5x square plus 4, and 4 will come out. dy dx of x, and this is a constant, will be 0. Now 4x plus 2, and this is 5. Now formula dy dx of x km, right here, n into x power n minus 1. Clear? Plus 5x square plus 4 into this will be 1, and this is the answer. Now see, this will become 10. Can I write here 10? And this will become 10x. Then 4x, firstly multiply with this, 40x square plus, then 2 will multiply 20x plus 20x square plus 16. So this will become 60x² plus 20x plus 16 is the answer. Clear beta? Thank you.